Bonjour! Aujourd'hui, on vous emmène faire le tour du bassin d'Arcachon. Juste là. Et nous allons partir en bateau depuis le port de Plaisance. Un capitaine nous y attend. Ah, ce n'est pas ce bateau. Ni celui-là. Le nôtre, c'est celui-ci.
You keep me wondering, is our love strong? Just like a love song, baby, it's haunting me. Don't know what you're thinking, it's like I'm sinking deep underwater. Maybe it's harder, harder, harder for me. Oh, harder for me.
Nous partons tous ensemble. On y amène papier et granit.
Baby, you're showing me how to be fearless, so no one can hear us. You're throwing the pillars to the floor. Now put your loving, loving, loving on me.
Et où allons-nous?
Maybe you won't see me get emotional, and sometimes I pretend I'm just above it all. But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too. And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too. Will you be my ride or die?
Je n'y étais pas, mais ces cabanes sont magnifiques.
Nobody listens to anything that you have to say. Can we just leave and walk away, walk away?
Ensuite, le capitaine les a emmenés de l'île aux oiseaux jusqu'au Cap Ferré.
But I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, body too. Yeah, body too.
C'était super!
And baby, please don't think I'll run away from you. It's just sometimes I get scared to dive into it. I want you lying next to me. Yeah, I want your body, body, your body too. Yeah, body too.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me.
C'est qui Guillaume Canet?
I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you.
L'herbe, c'est un joli petit village.
Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you, you, you.
Et maintenant, on part pour l'aventure. Direction le port d'Arcachon.
Now I have closed the blinds, I have shut the shades, but it's inside my mind, this dark shadow parades, and I have locked the door, bolted it down like
Je suis allée me baigner, mais pas ici.
no escape there seems to be. This is what it's like for me. It's the sound of distant thunder on the plains, way under lightning crashes. It's the sound of howling wind and driving rain, and heaven's on fire with flashes of you. Dug a hole into the ground, a fallout shelter no one could find. Still your face is all I see. I'll tell you what it does to
Je crois
me.
qu'Asie n'a pas vu grand-chose de la balade.
It's the sound of distant thunder on the plains, way under lightning crashes. It's the sound of howling wind and driving rain, and heaven's on fire with flashes of you.
Qu'est-ce que c'est beau Pila? Il a dit qu'est-ce que c'est beau la dune du Pila.
It's the sound of distant thunder on the plains, way under lightning crashes. It's the sound of howling wind and driving rain, and heaven's on fire with flashes of you.
Et maintenant, si on rentrait? Mais tranquillement, d'accord?
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun,
Et vous croyez qu'Asie dort encore?
but our trails will never run forever. Yeah. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always come to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name.